If you're dealing with frozen shoulder, lifting your arm like this might be a little bit of an issue. So when you come here with me, check out your range of motion, and I'll show you a few things that people are really getting a benefit from with frozen shoulder. Take a fascia ball or a tennis ball, something like this, and we'll find this right through the arm. There's this acupuncture meridian called triple meridian. About in the middle of it, place a ball against the wall and roll a little bit through this area. Not only is it enjoyable, but a lot of times it gives people relief. Roll for 1 to 3 minutes and then come back into this position and see if that helped you. Grab a Pilates ball and put both elbows on the floor. Take the Pilates ball in one hand, hold it against the wall, and push the back of your hand into the wall. The hand is a few inches off the floor, but the elbow is still on the floor. Hold this for about 10 to 12 breaths. In through the nose, out through your nose. After you've breathed about 10 to 12 breaths, come out of the position and test your range of motion again. See if anything changed. Now place both elbows on the floor and turn the palm up toward the ceiling. Try to get both the thumb and the pinky nail on the floor. Some of you may be simply working right here on this rotation. If the rotation is nice and easy, you get your palm up toward the ceiling, glide your elbow forward as far as you can, lining up the crease of the elbow with the bottom of the thumb. Wherever you can glide your elbow to, hold and breathe for 5 or 6 breaths. In through the nose, out through the nose. When you're finished with that one, again, come and check out your range of motion. See if anything changed there. Take either a Pilates ball or a yoga block and place it between your elbow and your ribs and squeeze it in toward the ribs. Remove the object and then resist your elbow into the ribs. Do that a few times and see if your range of motion has changed. Grab a block, place it between your biceps, and come onto your hands and knees. Walk your knees back an inch until you feel your deep abdominals turn on. Rotate your elbow creases forward. Keep your hips exactly where they are and bring your elbows toward the floor. And then straighten the elbows. Make sure your hips don't go back when you take your elbows down. Just the elbows. Breathe in as the elbows come down to the mat, and breathe out as you lift the elbows up. Once you complete about 5 of those, check out your range of motion again. See if anything changed there. If your range of motion improved and your shoulder feels a little better, that's really good news. That means that biomechanics-based exercises work to help your frozen shoulder.